Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of the machine learning, and in this tutorial we will see what is ordinal encoding and why we need it in our machine learning model. So the reason is same that our machine learning model will not read the categorical data, so we have to convert it into the numerical data. Suppose in a column you have three or four different categories, but they may be in order. For example, here is an example. Suppose when you go into a for a shopping, then for clothes shopping, then you will see there are sizes. The first one is small, then medium, then large, and then extra large. So our machine, so by applying the ordinal encoding, our encoder will give small 0 value, assign 1 to medium, assign 2 to large, and then 3 to extra large. Similarly, here is another example. There are you can say when we have to give the grades or we have to give the comments, then we can say that the poor, our ordinal encoder will assign 0 to poor, 1 to good, 2 to very good, and 3 to excellent. So this is the ordinal encoding. So let's move to the Jupyter notebook and see how we can do this. In our Jupyter notebook, we have firstly import our libraries that are pandas, matplotlib, and seaborn, and then we have loaded our dataset that is loan.csv. Then we are looking at the first three rows and all the columns of our dataset. Then we are checking how many null values are present in each column of the dataset. Then we are seeing which columns are categorical, which columns are with integer data type, and which columns are with float data type. So for ordinal encoding, we can only apply ordinal encoding to the categorical dataset. So here you can see that we have like property area in which we have three values. Let us check first. Dataset property area dot unique. Here you can see there are three values. So we will assign these values by encoding. We will assign urban 1, rural 0, and semi-urban 2. So we need to apply this. Then we will apply the ordinal encoding, and for ordinal encoding we have to import the ordinal encoder class from sklearn library. So from sklearn dot preprocessing import ordinal encoder, then we will make the object of the ordinal encoder class ordinal encoder, and then we will but here is a hyperparameter, the categories. Here we need to give the order of the data that we want to give. So we will give ruler number 0. So we will encode it in number 1. Then we need to give urban, and then we will give the last one, that is semi-urban. So now our encoder will assign these in a specific order. It will assign 0 to rural, 1 to urban, and 2 to semi-urban. So now we need to fit and transform our data, fit underscore transform, and we need to give the column property area. So it has already assigned the value. So now we will see these values in our original dataset encoded must be equals to, we will give the above command, this command, and now we will see our dataset dot add the first 5 rows. Here you can see our encoded. it has assigned urban number 1, rural number 0, and it will already assign number 2 to semi-urban. So this is the method how we can encode our data into the specific order. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I will see you next time.